Leetcode Biweekly Context 169. Question number 1. Minimum moves to equal array elements. The third one. This is also an easy problem of 3736. So we want to make all elements in this array become equal. Then we have to first find out the maximum number in this array. Then with this max number and a few numbers that is less than this one, there's gonna be a gap. All we have to do is just accumulate all the gap for each element. That will be the total number of the operations, of the moves.